Building blocks, picture stories. The little bird. Joe, Vani, Tony, and Rashi love playing in the park near their homes. One day it suddenly begins to rain. The children run to Tony's house. We cannot go out to play. What do we do now? You can do drawing and coloring. Just then, a bluebird comes into the house. It flies around in the room. Let us keep this bird in a box. Oh no, we must not do that. It will be sad. Soon the sun comes out. The clouds are gone. Tony opens the window. The bluebird flies out. It sits on a tree near the window and begins to sing. Thank you for not catching me and letting me go free. The bluebird then flies away. It tells its story to the other birds. Moral of the story is we must be kind to others.